Hey students, welcome to Team 1's Flipped Classroom. I know Miss Gibson, Miss Anderson, and myself, Mr. Martez, are very excited to have you guys come along and learn time telling with us. So we're just going to talk about a little bit of what we're going to do today, a little introduction. So I want to welcome all you second graders to this fun educational video. Today we're going to learn about two things mainly. One is going to be the parts of the clock. So we're going to learn what a clock is composed of. The face, the hands, and the numbers, which you don't know yet, but you will. The second part is how to actually tell time. So how to look at a clock in its two forms, an analog and a digital, and tell somebody else or yourself what time it is. Now, I know you guys don't know what analog or digital is yet, but you will, so don't worry about that. It's going to be really fun, and it's going to be a really helpful tool for you guys to learn. Time telling is super important, so get ready to have a good time learning, guys.